If you're looking for a simple and privacy-focused way to manage your passwords in 2026, Proton Pass is one of the strongest options available right now. In this video, I'll quickly explain what Proton Pass offers, who it's best for, and how you can get it at a discounted price using the latest coupon deal. I've placed the Proton Pass coupon link in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can check the current offer at any time. Now let's talk about Proton Pass. Proton Pass is a password manager built by the same team behind Proton Mail and Proton VPN, with a strong focus on privacy and security. All your passwords, notes, and login data are protected with end-to-end encryption, meaning only you can access them. Not even Proton can see your data. One thing that really stands out is how clean and easy Proton Pass is to use. It works smoothly across browsers and devices, automatically saves logins, and fills them in with a single click. You can also generate strong, unique passwords instantly, which is one of the most important steps in protecting your online accounts. Proton Pass also includes email alias support, which lets you create disposable email addresses when signing up for websites. This helps reduce spam and makes it harder for companies to track or sell your real email address. Because Proton Pass syncs across platforms, you can use it on your desktop, laptop, and mobile devices without any hassle. Everything stays updated automatically, so your passwords are always where you need them. So, is Proton Pass worth it in 2026? If you care about privacy, transparency, and strong encryption, Proton Pass is an excellent choice. And if you want to get Proton Pass for the best possible price, don't forget to use the coupon link in the description and in the pinned comment. The discount is applied automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to enter. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more cybersecurity and privacy tools reviews.